Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll tell you how to make a cold drinking water dispenser at home. We will use a Peltier module to cool the water. The volume of bottled water you use may be different, but we will make a DIY water dispenser that will keep 1.5 liters of water cold and ready to use. So, how do we make this? As seen on the whiteboard behind me, we will place the cold water container with a basket placed on the top of the demijohn. We will use a standard electric water bottle pump to drain the water from the demijohn. The discharge line of the water pump will be connected directly to the container using a hose. The container will be waterproof and domestic water outlet will be connected from the top of the container. The outer walls of the container will be heat insulated. The Peltier modules and heat sinks will be mounted on both sides of the container. A temperature sensor will be mounted on the surface of the container and the power will be cut off when the water temperature drops to 10 degrees Celsius by electronic thermostat. If you want, you can also use mechanical thermostat. However, since I want to see the temperature of the cooled water, I'll use an electronic thermostat here. When the water temperature drops to 10 degrees Celsius, the thermostat will open the circuit and the cooler will continue to operate in idle mode. Idle mode is designed to maintain the current temperature of the cooled water with lower electrical power. While approximately 50 watts of power is consumed in active cooling mode, idle mode will consume only 15 watts of power. Two additional relays will be used for idle mode. While the thermoelectric modules are connected in parallel in active mode, they will switch to series connection in idle mode. Through these relays, and electricity consumption will decrease significantly. I'm giving you the electrical circuit diagram here. You can pause the video and review it if you want. What are the materials to be used? A water pump suitable for demijohns that you can easily find on the market. A 1.5 liter stainless steel container. About half a square meter, 2 centimeter thick foam rubber heat insulation material for the stainless steel container. 2 pieces of 127 6 amp model Peltier modules and heat sinks. 2 relays for idle mode. A 12 volts 60 watt DC power supply. A thermostat suitable for 10 degrees Celsius. It will open the circuit when the water temperature drops below 10 degrees Celsius. Our water cooler will cool the water in the container to 10 degrees Celsius and keep 1.5 liters of water cold and ready for use. Now let's make our DIY project. Now it's time to test our DIY water dispenser. First, we will test how long it takes for the water in the container to cool down. Then I'll turn on the pump, fill a glass with water and measure the temperature of the water. Enjoy your drink. I hope this DIY project will be useful for you. I would be very happy to see your comments and suggestions. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like it. Thanks everyone. See you in other project.